student, and welcome to today's lesson. Letter J. The letter J says y, y, y. Look at the jet. Jet. Look at the jeep. Jeep. Look at the jar. Jar. The letter J. Usage of J in a word. The letter J can be in the middle of a word, like brinjal. The letter J can be at the end of a word, like Taj. STEAM activities. S. Observe the jeep and talk about it. T. Listen to the letter J by watching a video. E. Make up a jet with paper sheet. A. Provide a worksheet with the bubble letter J and ask the students to color it with crayons. M. Count objects beginning with the sound Y around you. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.